We are living in a fast-paced world where sharing knowledge needs to be as quick as the wind, but making guides often feels like a long trek through deep snow. The main headache is you have to do it all manually. Like, seriously? We have spent time exploring AI tools that make teaching others a simple, natural process. Today, we are sharing the 5 best AI tools that help us create professional tutorials without the headache of manual editing or complex software. So, let's take this journey together. For the first one on the list, we have seen how Tango serves as a bridge between doing the work and teaching the work. By using this browser extension, we can eliminate the tedious task of manual documentation that often leads to confusion and wasted time. We explored how the tool stays quiet in the background while we perform our daily routines and platforms like ClickUp or Monday, capturing every essential click and turning it into a visual map. This process is not just about taking pictures, it is about the intelligent way the AI generates titles and descriptions that provide context to every action. We found that the editing suite allows us to maintain a professional standard by blurring sensitive data. Beyond just creating a single guide, the platform acts as a communal well of knowledge through the team library, where every member can access or contribute to the collective wisdom of the organization. With the ability to embed these tutorials into tools like Notion or SharePoint and track their impact through detailed viewer analytics, the entire workflow becomes transparent and measurable. We believe this approach transforms the way a team communicates, which makes the sharing of expertise a natural, effortless part of the digital experience for everyone involved. Moving forward, we come across Tutorial AI, a platform that takes a slightly different path by focusing on the structure of learning itself. Sometimes we have a big topic in our minds, but we aren't sure how to break it down into smaller, digestible pieces for others to understand. This is where Tutorial AI shines. It's like the tool is laying out the foundation of a lodge, showing us exactly where the support beams and the doorways should go. It organizes the information into modules and lessons, providing a clear path for a student to follow from start to finish. We like this because it removes the blank page syndrome that often stops us from starting a guide. While other tools are great for software-specific clicks, Tutorial AI is more about the big picture education. It gathers information from across the web to build these courses, which makes it a powerful ally for creators who want to build a library of knowledge quickly. It's a very straightforward way to turn an idea into a structured learning experience without having to spend hours researching and outlining. Following that, we find Guidde, which is a tool that is perfect for those of us who prefer to speak and show rather than just write. We know that many people learn better when they can hear a voice and see movement, and Guidde makes creating video documentation as easy as taking a breath. When we use Guidde, it captures our screen workflows just like a recording, but then it uses AI to turn those actions into a polished video story. One of the most impressive parts is the text-to-speech feature. If we don't feel like recording our own voice, or if we want a very professional-sounding narrator, the editor is very simple to use, allowing us to add shapes, arrows, and music to make the video engaging. It's a very modern way to handle how-to videos, turning a tedious recording session into a quick, automated process that results in a video that people actually want to watch. Continuing our exploration, we step into the world of Supademo, which specializes in what we call interactive storytelling. Sometimes a static image or video isn't enough. People need to feel like they are actually using the tool themselves to truly learn. Supademo allows us to create interactive hotspots on our screenshots or screen captures. This means when we share a guide, the person on the other side doesn't just watch, they click through the demo as if they were actually inside the software. We find this creates a much deeper connection to the material. It's great for sales demos or deep dive product tours where we want the user to explore at their own pace. The AI features here are quite smart. They can help us rewrite our tooltips to be more concise, or even generate voiceovers that match the timing of the clicks. We can also use conditional branching, which is a fancy way of saying we can give people choices. They can choose to learn about feature A or jump straight to feature B based on what they need at that moment. This respect for the learner's choice is something we value highly. For teams that want to show off their software in the most engaging way possible, Supademo provides a very professional and interactive environment. Next in our circle is Scribe, a tool that is very well known for its speed and reliability in documenting processes. Much like Tango, Scribe is designed to turn your actions into a written guide instantly. As we go about our work on the computer, Scribe follows along and creates a document filled with screenshots that have been automatically annotated with red circles to show exactly where we clicked. What we really like about Scribe is how it handles Scribe pages. This feature allows us to take multiple individual guides and weave them together into one large manual or onboarding hub. It's like gathering individual stories to create a great history of a tribe. We can add videos, images, and extra text to these pages to provide more context. It's very easy to share these guides through a simple link or by embedding them directly into other tools we use every day, like Notion or SharePoint. The AI sidekick within Scribe is also very helpful. It can help us write the introductory text or summarize long processes so they're easier to read. It's a very sturdy, dependable tool that focuses on making sure no information is lost and that every step is accounted for. Concluding our talk today, we have seen some incredible tools, but if we have to choose the one that truly stands out for the heart of the work, it's Tango. Its ability to provide live, on-screen guidance and its effortless capture process make it the most natural choice for any team. We encourage you to try Tango today and see how easy sharing knowledge can be. Check out the description to get the sign-up links and start using right away. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.